All right, taking a look at gold, a nice bullish reversal in gold triggered earlier in today's session, but has now faltered where trading's all the way down near the lows of the day. Not bullish. But before we go further, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by XAU, the world's largest retail broker, offering ultra-fast execution with no overnight fees. Find a link in the description below. This is Bruce for FXEmpire taking a look at the daily chart for gold. So gold triggered a breakout to a 3-day high of 4,133 before the sellers took back control. That was also a breakout confirmed above the red 10-period moving average. Another sign of strength off support, the low of the day, at 4,056, which is a successful test of support at the purple 20 moving average and this uptrend line right here. So if gold is going to go to the upside, it needs to do so before it falls below today's low, because it dropped below today's low, and we do have a bearish candle setting up here heading into the close, and a drop back below the 10-period moving average. So we have a failed breakout to a 3-day high, we have a failed breakout above the 10-day moving average, but it's at strong potential support. So the expectation is still resolution to the upside, but we really need a decisive breakout above today's high of 4,133 before there's any confirmation that that may be occurring. On the downside, a drop below today's low shows weakness, further still below the 20 moving average, 4,045 currently, but the key level is going to be this swing low here at 3,998, because that is a higher swing low. And it confirmed it was created as a higher swing low today because there's a breakout above the low candle's high. So that is part now of the uptrend price structure, and a break below it will certainly likely test support down here near the 78.6% retracement at 3,963, because the orange 50 moving average has now identified the same potential support level. On the upside, as I noted, breakout above today's high shows strength, and then maybe gold has a chance to eventually break above this high here at 4,245, but there's also a possibility, I think, that it can move into some period of consolidation as it just kind of takes a breather after a nice strong advance here previously. All right, that is it for gold traders. Have a great week.